So September 1st, I wanted to see how we did month end. I'm looking at the report. I don't love the number we landed on. So total wholesale spreads for the month written business is 166.60000.
Stop complaining.
I'm not complaining, but we had to land on the mark of the beast. That's what we had to land on for a number.
Well, maybe that's because we're in beast mode.
I feel like that's our biggest month this year.
This year, yes.
Right?
Yes.
Since 2020, by a long shot, that's been our biggest month. We've been crippled with, COVID.
It's funny
else.
because we were having a great, we were having a good month before COVID. Like we were projected to push over 200K.
So last month we had a bad month. We had a 0 month, and that was the month that was 5 weeks ago that we actually hired the company Sharper Process that came in here, and we hired them to come in and really dissect our company and find out what was going on, and that's what they do for real estate investors. And so we went through all that, as you saw, and so it's been 5 weeks since they were here. And in that time, we went from having a bad month to our record month, and we're finding out they're putting the right people in the right seats. Taking Spencer out of all the day-to-day minutia and letting him be a leader allows me to be a visionary.
Glenn and I have experienced the pain of having the wrong butts in the wrong seats. And we just are tired of kind of like spinning our wheels. And to me, like the idea of taking a more psychological approach to it and a more personality-driven approach to it and putting the right butts in the right seats, I was like thrilled with. Like it made logical sense to me to do that.
My vision is to take our company more on a national scale and be in multiple cities doing what we're doing. But I don't want to do it at the expense of my family, expense of my marriage, or I don't want to have this massive wake behind me of dead bodies because I'm exhausted and my health. I want to do it the right way. So by building a system, by hiring coaches to come in here and really help us do it, it's been a game changer for us. I can only hope that going forward, it's going to be an amazing, amazing future ahead of us. So well worth the investment. All right, cool.
All right,
Got it, guys. We'll talk to you. Great
take
job.
care.
All right, see ya.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Got it. You too. Look at the big beast coming in behind you. Who's that guy?
What are you doing?
Look at the quarantine. Is that the good stuff?
Yeah. Hope you're not getting one for me.
No?
I haven't even had breakfast. I don't think I want a shot of tequila.
What's wrong with that? Tequila for breakfast? Yo, what's up, big man? There you go. Hey, buddy. Good seeing you. You look good. Look lean.
All right.
Hi, it's nice to see you. I know.
And you had to wear the Steelers shirt.
I know.
There's the man.
Oh my God!
Never
he's
met
here.
him. Look at that. Ignore him for a bit. Connor? How you doing, buddy?
Glenn, how you doing?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Mia? Yeah. Nice to meet you, Mia. Come on in, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's great. Look at
It's,
that.
what is it? Buffalo chicken dip?
Look, we're the same height, just about. I said we're discussing
We're
our
like
height.
having bets like how tall you're gonna be. Is he gonna be tall? Is he gonna be short?
We finally meet.
Amber?
Amber?
How are
Nice to
you?
finally meet you.
Amber?
Hi, Mia. Nice to meet you.
You guys come get comfortable. In 2010,
Oh, here we go.
my
1201.
were you in the
Took
paper when you were born?
them 40
Shut
years
up.
to report on it.
Not true. This is a repeat. So they did an article about all the kids who were born on New Year's Day, and we made the top because we were 12:01 a.m. because I can't just come out. I can't. So they did. So I have the original article actually back from '69, but they redid something in 2010.
Should laminate that.
Yeah, I
'cause
just
it's gonna
stumbled
yellow
onto
and-
it.
yeah. Oh my God.
There's me.
Of the sports page in Montreal, because I got to go fight with the mascot.
I see Dakota, Chastity,
Mic drop.
Peyton, and Cruz. Wow.
That's
Oh
what
my
they want to see my 5-year-old picture, so there you go.
I see all the kids.
That's the yeah.
Yeah. He can't deny any of his children.
Yeah.
Like there's no DNA test required. Wow. The Schworms gene is strong.
I don't know the ins and outs. I just know Spencer sent me an address and I said the house next door
we were
sold for
excited for it.
$320,000. Get me that house and I will sell it for you.
So there was a guy that came in before us, but they wanted to speak to us, right? But the guy said, whatever signature says, I will be there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
They want
a piece of us. So what he did was they got the number from us. They got us as high as we could go.
Of course. And then just told them.
So I said, and I said to the guy, I said, so what if I had gone $20,000 out, he would have beat about $20,000? He's like, that's what he said. So I'm like, who is it?
Well, I was gonna say, who the hell is this guy?
Oh, a lot of people want that.
Oh, I know. Nobody, yeah,
A lot
everybody
of people
gets
want a
so
piece of
excited about kicking our ass. I'm like,
find out who bought it.
I will. Oh, it's on my to-dos. Don't worry.
Normal routine here is we get out of the pool, right in the hot tub for 15 minutes, then we all get out. Well, we're having a great time with our team, and we haven't seen each other for a long time, so it's a lot of fun to get together. I have to light this grill, so hold on a minute. Okay, that was loud enough. I did smell some burning hair there. I don't know where it came from, so well, let's see what's happening here. Having a bit of a problem with the grill. Let's not catch my death on TV, okay? The last time we had a guy here working the grill from this, we had a party, I had a guy use it, and he left everything wide open. So when I opened the gas, it all filled up in there, so I hit the gas and just fell.
Oh, I can see the gas coming out.
Wow. Woo! Well, that's just steam now. So I'm getting ready to fry up some burgers for these guys and, kind of wrap up our afternoon here. This has been awesome to get our team together. We haven't seen each other since COVID. I think once in a while somebody may come to the office, but it's been very rare. And again, we got to meet Connor for the first time. We haven't seen him. We miss our team, Ashley, down in Virginia, and hope she's having a great time. We miss her, but we're having a lot of fun getting together. It's great. We're going to have some burgers now and do our thing. But I almost just lost my eyebrows in that minor explosion, but it is what it is. It's going to be fun. These guys work hard for us all year, so I like to give back by feeding them. Of course, I pay them too.
Yeah, it's super cool to have met Connor today. You know, we've gotten to know him a little bit over Zoom with all of the COVID mess going on, but it is different to meet somebody in person. But we had a really good impression of him via Zoom, and now we get to meet him in person, and he seems like a great guy. So I think he kind of fits right in with the team. He gels, and that's something that I've always looked for, is people that really gel with us and that we have commonalities, and that personal chemistry is important. And also anybody that works for us is also representing us because we are the brand. So that's important to us.
What's up?
Oh, we're good. I've been down that road. I'm already
I already cleaned up like puddles.
Are you serious?